Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Now this is the Crypto Tips Your Mentors, a YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be explaining more about scalability in cryptocurrencies. Let me hope there's a lot of you who do not know what scalability means in crypto industry. Now for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, we are about to hit 50 subscribers. Please do subscribe to our channel and also like this video. Like it so many times for it to be appreciated, plus sharing it and also commenting down the description, because we have a lot of links down the description. They are all for affiliate marketing, so click the links in the description and find which is suitable for you. Now with that brief introduction, I think let me start my video. Now what is scalability? Scalability refers to the expansion of crypto networks in terms of transaction speed and processing power to accommodate new application and increase the user profit. Now scalability briefly means transaction in networks or crypto networks, speed and processing power. When you look about the processing power of different cryptocurrencies, they differ, but you confirming which cryptocurrency has the most speed, it determines to its blockchain. How is it working? When you look at Bitcoin has the scalability of solving over 2 to 4 transactions per second. You get it? So that means its transaction or processing power or speed of solving crypto networks equations or transaction, it was upgraded to that particular speed of solving 2 to 4 transactions. Now going ahead to track the scalability problem, layer 1 tokens are adopting 2 fundamental equations or proof of stake based on consensus mechanism. Now all this stuff is inside the blockchain technology, which we told you. The blockchain technology is the transfer of value. So that means this is the technology they use to sit down and program these cryptocurrencies. Now I have a little bit example for you to explain more about the scalability of different cryptocurrencies. When you hear about Bitcoin solves between 2 to 4 transactions per second. We are talking about per second. Now at the moment I see I've already talked for 2 minutes. I'm going to do 3 minutes. So that means every second you see in this world, we don't know how many people now are making transactions of Bitcoin, but the system or the blockchain of Bitcoin solves over 2 to 4 transactions per second. So you can go to Google and you try to Google and say what is the scalability of Bitcoin. They'll bring you all this information I'm trying to explain for you. Going ahead with this video, we also have Ethereum. So now Ethereum is another cryptocurrency which is used for, let me say, smart contracts. It's basically for smart contracts. So it is well known by the community, or it is the second largest cryptocurrency in the whole world. So Ethereum solves over 6 to 12 transactions per second. So that means Ethereum, its blockchain or its speed, it's more developed than that of Bitcoin, because we can see now Ethereum is able to solve over 6 to 12 transactions per second. So that is a lot of transactions being solved by Ethereum. So to give you a little bit example or elaboration about what I'm trying to say, you can make a transaction, try making a transaction on Bitcoin and try making a transaction on Ethereum. Send them at the same period. You will find the transaction of Ethereum has been processed and confirmed faster than that of Bitcoin. Let me hope we are together. Let me hope that we are together. Now, the last on my list is what we call Brace. There is a currency called Brace or Bitgrit. So this cryptocurrency is a new cryptocurrency which has come up with its own blockchain, whereby it will be not trans charging anybody transacting cryptocurrencies on its blockchain. So its transaction fee is at on zero cost. When you study more about the blockchain of Braze or Bitgrid, you'll find Bitgrid has a scalability of 100,000 transactions being solved per second. So if you find a currency which can solve over 100,000 transactions per second, so that means its blockchain or its technology is being modified more than that of Ethereum and more than that of Bitcoin. Now, you must be knowing these things or differentiating about different cryptocurrencies with their scalabilities. Now, keep on making research about different scalabilities of cryptocurrencies. You'll get to know that most of them they get to differ because they use different blockchain technologies. So for scalability, if someone talks about scalability, is referred as the transaction or speed processing power being accumulated by the crypto networks when someone is trying to send coins on peer-to-peer network. So for those who haven't subscribed to this channel, this is the end of this video. We thank you for those who have made it to the end of this video. We please do recommend down and subscribe plus turning the notification bell, because we'd like you to be the first number one person to being notified whenever we upload a new video like this.